Hello everyone, and today we will analyze the Indian Forest Service UPSC's Indian Forest Service 2020 mains paper of mechanical engineering, paper 1 and paper 2 subject wise, how much weightage and from which subject how much marks were there. Okay, so first of all, let me compare with the civil service paper that has been conducted 1 month ago. So if we compare with the civil service paper, then this paper is quite lengthy. Not quite, it is very much lengthy because if you see the questions, okay, for the questions, so paper 1 and paper 2 both I have uploaded in the Telegram group. Okay, that link of this Telegram group in description. Okay, so and if you have not seen the video of my analysis of Indian civil service, so just go in playlist and you can find that the civil service video also, and you can find civil service paper in Telegram group also. Okay, in media section. So here, uh, the subject name that I have written in red, they are very lengthy and the questions are quite confusing and difficult also to attempt in that given time frame. So if we see the mechanics 8 marks question, vibration is total 8 marks, strength of material 63 marks, material science 41 marks, and it is very time consuming. Theory of machine 40, production 79, industrial 81 marks. In paper 2, thermodynamics 66 marks, IC engine 46 marks, heat transfer 56, RAC 56, and power plant engineering 96. So main thing that I want to tell you that is from industrial engineering, the questions are so quite lengthy and calculative also. So the questions, if you see, then first read and then you think what is the steps and then you attempt. So it is very time consuming. Similar thing happened in production. There is a theory also, there is derivation also, and numerical also. But one thing that I like about this paper is uh, they have cover the coverage of this paper in all the subjects is very good, because in heat transfer, radiation, convection, and conduction numerical is there, heat exchanger is there, and in RAC there is three questions of designing of air conditioning system from psychrometricist chart. So that's quite hectic time. Okay, in paper 2, those many of the aspirants have find that difficulty in also. And in power plant engineering this year, they are more focused on compressors, axial flow compressors and centrifugal compressors. They have asked derivation as well as velocity triangle as well as numericals and surging, stalling, choking condition, forward and backward curve. Okay, and in power plant they have also asked for the uh, chimney height, forced draught. Okay, and in heat transfer, in heat exchanger part, there is not data directly given, but they have given the charts and graphs. So from that we have to find the data and then put in the equation, and then we have to calculate. So that is a very good question. And in IC engine, one question is of a heat balance sheet. That is very good question. I will solve this question in upcoming video. Okay, so this is about the paper 1 and paper 2 marks wise analysis. Okay, so hope you find very uh, helpful. And I cannot predict the cutoff because this is mains part of you. So how much you return, and if there is 1 marks or 2 marks less if compared to 1 or 2 aspirants, so it's very tough to tell the cutoff at this stage. But yes, we can analyze the subject wise analysis and type what are the types of questions. Okay, so this is the all about the paper. Hope you like this video, and if you want to see the paper, just go to the Telegram channel and you will find that paper there. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video, and like this video, share with your Indian Forest Service aspirant or as well as engineering service for mains. Okay, and subscribe this channel for upcoming this kind of videos. Thank you.